Hey, it's Majera. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will have a tutorial on how to register your smart prepaid SIM in just 3 steps. So, let's start. First, just click the link on the description box. Don't you worry if it's page not found. Just click Home page. Then click Prepaid. Now, have your phone ready. You will receive an OTP when you enter your mobile number below. Now, enter your mobile number. Then click I have read and understood the terms and conditions. Click Send OTP. Now, enter the OTP sent to your mobile number and click Verify OTP. Your mobile number is now successfully verified. Click OK. Now, let us start doing Step 1. The customer information. First, you need to choose what type of registration you would like to have. If it's a newly bought SIM, old SIM, newly bought SIM for minor, or old SIM for minor. Now choose your nationality. Then select your ID card. You may select any of the following. Next, you need to upload your valid ID. You may choose getting it from your photo library, take a photo, or you may choose file. Now, upload a selfie. Again, you may choose getting it from your photo library, take a photo, or you may choose file. Enter now your ID card number. Your first name, middle name, and last name. If you don't have a middle name, just click I have no legal middle name. Now, input your birthday. Lastly, your sex. Then click Next. You are now done with Step 1. Now let's move on to Step 2. Your address information. You may or may not put your house or lot number, street, village or subdivision, unit or floor, and building. But make sure to input your province, city or municipality, barangay, and zip code. For the alternate contact information, you may choose any of the following, either a contact number or an email address. Now click Done and Next. You are now done with Step 2. For Step 3, just double check the information in this part. And don't forget to click I do hereby attest that I personally accomplished the registration. Now, click Next. And that's it. You have successfully registered your SIM. You can now register another SIM. Just follow this tutorial. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.